Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, I just came out of shower and I was going to do my nighttime skincare routine, and today is exfoliation day. So I really wanted to show you how I exfoliate my skin. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it means a hell lot to me. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first and the foremost step is to cleanse your face, and I have already done that, but for the sake of the video I'm again going to clean my face, and for that I'm going to use this simple facial wash. If you are wearing makeup or waterproof sunscreen, you need to double cleanse your face, but for now I'm going to use this. So make sure your skin is pretty clean before you start the exfoliation process. So I'm going to wash my face again really well. Okay, so once I have washed my face, I'm gonna pat it dry. Make sure your face is dry and not damp while applying any exfoliation product. So, dry it really well. So now it's dry. Okay, so the next step is the exfoliating toner or serum or whatever you are using. So for this video I'm going to use this Juicy Chemistries 5% lactic acid and 3% flour acid. Okay, I have switched from a toner to a serum because if you have really sensitive skin, try this mandelic acid skin prep water. Try mandelic acid in general because that is great for sensitive skin, and I also started using mandelic acid first because I do have sensitive skin, but now my skin is okay with AHAs, and I wanted to try something new as well, something which would something more stronger, and that's why I switched to lactic acid. And trust me, this is also 5%, this is also 5%. Always start with lower percentage. Don't go overboard with higher percentage. That will not do any good to you. Okay, and also if you're new in exfoliation, then always start with a toner. Okay, I also started with a toner, and once my skin was used to it, then I switched on to this one, which is a serum. Okay, so if you have really sensitive skin, you should use mandelic acid because it is great for sensitive skin type people. But if you have dry, dehydrated and really dull face, try lactic acid. It does wonders. Okay, so this is 5% lactic acid with 3% flour acid, and this is an AHS serum. So it will work on the outer layer of your skin, removing the dead skin cells and reducing the hyperpigmentation, making your skin more even toned and brighter as well. Because lactic acid really does, really does wonders if you use it regularly as well as with caution. Okay, so this is the product that I'm using, and I also got I got the smaller version because I really wanted to try it first and then go for the bigger version. So once my face is really dry, I'm gonna take few drops of it, this much, and I'm gonna pat it all over my face. You should definitely avoid the eye area and as well as the area around your mouth if it is sensitive. Okay, but you should definitely avoid the under eyes area. So just don't rub it, just pat it really well. So just tap it really well, let it absorb into your skin. Once it is fully absorbed, leave it like that for 5 minutes. Okay, for 5 minutes don't apply anything, just leave it like that. Okay, so now it's been 5 minutes, and next step is to hydrate. Okay, if you are using an exfoliating toner, serum, or if you are doing exfoliation in general, the next step is to hydrate your face because these ingredients tend to make your skin drier, so we need hydration in our face, and that's why I'm gonna now top it up with hydrating serums and moisturizers. Okay, so for that I'm gonna use this Snail Mucin 96 Mucin Power Essence from Cosrx. This is great for hydration. So I'm gonna just take 2 parts of it. And also an exfoliating serum. Please avoid using retinols as well because I am using a retinol based eye cream, and on the days I exfoliate, I don't use it under my eyes. Though I haven't applied anything, I haven't applied the serum under my eyes, but still I will not use my retinol eye cream because it might react because my skin is sensitive. So I'm not going to do that. See, hydration. Once I have applied the mucin, the next step is to use a moisturizer, and for that I have two options right now. First is this Astura Auto Barrier Cream, and second is this CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Both have ceramides, and I prefer using ceramide based moisturizers, you know, in general as well. But on days I'm exfoliating, I'll go, you know, for any one of these. So today I'm feeling like using the CeraVe one. And I'm gonna take, you know, a good quantity of it. I don't usually apply this much quantity, okay, but because if you will apply too much of a moisturizer, it can clog your pores. I do this only on days when I'm exfoliating, because that way it doesn't dry out my skin and my skin looks super glowy and dewy the next morning. And also I'm not gonna massage it really well on into my skin. I'm gonna leave it like a, you know, it's more like a moisturizer mask. Okay, so this was the last step. I'm not gonna use my eye cream because otherwise I was using this eye cream, the Beauty of Josian Ginseng plus retinol, but I'm not gonna use the retinol eye cream. And last but not the least, my old boring Boroline, which works way better. So yeah, this was my nighttime skincare routine when on days I'm exfoliating. And trust me, try this, okay? Just try. Wash your face, pat it dry, apply the serum, then use all the hydrating products like serums, toners, or whatever, like hydrating things, and just seal it everything with a moisturizer, like really good moisturizer. And the next day, you will definitely wake up with glowy skin. And with consistent use, you will even see that your skin tone is improving, your hyperpigmentation is fading, and you will love it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And also let me finish this bottle, then I'll give a review of this product as well, because this is something that I have recently started using, so I'm not commenting on how efficient this is. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Till then, tata, bye bye.